Hi friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I'm talking about the June promos for Young Living's Essential Rewards program. I will hop into the rewards really quick. They are awesome this month, but I wanted to say first that I am doing my own promo for the month of June. So if you are new to Young Living and you buy your premium starter kit through me and opt into Essential Rewards, I am going to personally send you a $25 credit in your Young Living account that you can spend on anything. You can buy more oils that you want or the all-purpose cleaner, and I can help you come up with some great ideas. So see my link below for more information or message me on Instagram at takecaremama, all one word. So let's get started. If you spend 100 PV this month in June on the Essential Rewards program, also below is the video that explains the whole program. You are gonna get a 15 ml, so the big one, of Citronella. We are all about summer in this month of June's promotions. So Citronella is great for keeping the bugs at bay. I live in Minnesota. Mosquitoes are so bad here. I also will link below, I believe I did a YouTube video last year on a homemade bug spray, and Citronella was a big ingredient in that. So you are gonna get this if you spend 100 PV on Essential Rewards. If you buy the premium starter kit this month, you will automatically get this plus my $25 credit. If you spend 190 PV, you will get the Citronella. You always get everything in the previous level. You will also get a 5 ml of Peace and Calming. This is one of my favorite blends from Young Living, and this comes in the premium starter kit as well. It's a pretty expensive blend, and as the name suggests, it's very peaceful and calming. Tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, blue tansy. Blue tansy is a really expensive oil. A bottle this size of blue tansy would be $100, and it's an ingredient in here, and that really comes through for me. I don't really even smell the ylang ylang or patchouli. I don't like those oils, so it's really funny that I love this so much. I really smell the citrus and the blue tansy. It is so good, and you can see the cap is kind of stained. It's a very colorful oil. Though if you rub it on your skin, it doesn't turn your skin blue or green. At that same level, you will also get a branded picnic blanket from Young Living, which is so cute. So you'll get the picnic blanket, the Peace and Calming at the Citronella if you spend 190 PV in the month of June. The next level is 200 PV. You get everything that I've talked about so far, plus an oil that I've never heard of, and that's a 5 ml of Kunzea, and I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I quickly looked it up. It is a flower from Australia that they distill, and it has a spicy, woodsy aroma. Can help soothe fatigued muscles after you go on a summer run, and some people use it in place of tea tree. It's a milder smell than tea tree. So I love the woodsy smell, so I feel like I would really like this oil possibly, and again, never heard of it. Here's a picture. Kunzea from Australia. Lastly, the 300 PV, you get everything I mentioned. So the Kunzea, the Peace and Calming, the picnic blanket, the Citronella, and a 15 ml of Cool Azul. Now I have heard of this, although I do not have it. I haven't experienced this, but again, after some sore muscles on a summer run or a bike, or whatever you're doing, you can rub it on your muscles with a carrier oil for some soothing. And as the name suggests, it has a cooling effect. So if you're hot on a summer day, put a little on the back of your neck with a carrier oil to help cool you down. So those are the rewards. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, I love to help you get started this month in June with a premium starter kit and the essential rewards, you will automatically get this 15 ml of citronella, and I will send you $25, and you get access to our education groups on Facebook, and we can help guide you through this oily lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.